Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? It is your man Z Moose coming at you live from the Moose Den. Ladies and gentlemen, we have been having some crazy market action lately. And the way to counterbalance the disgusting chop is to pull down your skirt, grab your balls, and work with it. Okay, you need to be able to stomach these short-term swings, use a handle stop, and just balls to the wall. And I know that's awful, and I hate doing it too, because I normally use a 3-tick stop. That's my normal stop, a 3 to 5 tick stop. I used the 5-minute chart for a lot of my moves today. I know, that's shocking. But I used my 5-minute chart, and this is what I'm going to base tonight's strategy session off of. The 5-minute chart, I'm going to take all of these drawings off, because I had something planned, but I'm changing it up a little bit. The 5-minute chart is gold when it comes to pinning the perfect entry and the fairly perfect exit for a stock. Let's take TF, for example, when day trading. Okay? I've been paper trading TF for quite some time now, as many of you know. 3 weeks has been one of the most interesting 3-week adventures I have ever been on in my 2 years of trading. And I can tell you right now that I have had many people say you need to learn how to use the 5-minute when trading TF. Because this little chop, unless you're scalping, these little chops will eat you alive. They will eat you alive. So let's take a look. I use 2 different indicators. Okay? I use the 5-period EMA and the 34-period EMA, and I use this SMI right here. I occasionally use VWAP. If it is in relation to market action, I will use VWAP as a support and resistance level. I will also use it as somewhat of a Bollinger Band to determine overbought and oversold market instances. But for the most part, I've been looking and I've been keying in over the past 2 weeks, and I've been learning how to trade the 5-minute, and I'm attempting to stomach these larger moves. And it is soon coming to be a success. But it is difficult. It is very, very challenging. And the one move that I'm actually going to concentrate on tonight is this move right here. This was early in the trading session, and we had a cross of the 5-period EMA above the 34-period EMA. This continued on for quite some time. We had a pullback, and I'm going to zoom in here. We had a pullback. But for the most part, if we take a look right there, and there was a cross at that point, is where the 5-period EMA pretty much bottomed out. And this large green candle on the 1-minute, 2-minute, and 5-minute charts is where the cross above the 5-minute, above the 34 EMA, occurred. We also see a cross here at the SMI, indicating that there is positive momentum on all three charting time frames. So if we then take a look at the exit, we had a little bit of a stall out here, but we held support for the most part, and we held the 34 EMA. So let's say you stick your handle stop down, you get in on this spike, get in at 593. Let's give it a little bit of a pessimistic. You know, your stop then, after you see this enormous breakout, you take some profit, and maybe you get lucky, you kill the whole position, and then you take another bounce here at the 34 EMA. You get this next ride up. You wait for this cross down below, you wait for a couple breakdowns below the 5-minute, or the 5-minute EMA, and then along the way you scale in and out of positions. This is what I am attempting to do over the next couple of weeks. And you will indeed join me throughout this adventure. This was a little bitty view, and I'm going to go more in-depth into it tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your evening, and I will see you for a TF afternoon review tomorrow.